All right. Pull the shifter off. Take this nut off here. Back it off. And there's threads on this other side. I'll try to show you here in a second. Let me move my light around a little bit. Maybe it's a little better. Take this off. It is a 17 millimeter. You can use a socket or a wrench. I just grabbed a wrench, a little easier. And take it and put it to the other side, and it pulls this out. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's got threads over here on this side. Let me move the shifter around. Put it over here. Threaded on here like this, and you just tighten it down and it pulls that out. Let me put you back over here. All right, there we go. I put it in reverse for this, that way I can access it a little easier. But you just tighten it down, that pulls the shifter off. Or the bolt out of the shifter so you can pull the shifter off. And then it's that easy. I think it was just 2 screws for the console to get it out. I just pulled the rubber boot up. You can leave all that on. There we go, I got it pretty much. It's not in there very, very tight. You can just push it right out. Shifter comes off. But yeah, there's just 2 screws right here. You just take those loose, kind of pull the shifter back. That way you can snake that out of there. And you're pretty well set. Simple enough. Get it up on the lift. I'll mess this up here. That's for his lights, his off-road auxiliary lighting. Unhook that. Try to move it out of the way so it don't come back up and make contact. I'm gonna have to clean those off. Those things are filthy, just in case it does. Need to clean these anyways. Go ahead and pull the ground off also. Well, there's no chance. All right, the rear drive shaft bolts take a 12 millimeter 12-point socket. Always remember, put blue Loctite back on these things. When you get done, clean the threads up too. I thought I had it in neutral. I guess not. Oh well. And now we are in neutral. Flip it around when it's easier to access. Last one. Before you pull this thing out, mark it with something. Marker, something that's going to stay. Ain't marker, but it don't want to cooperate when it's good and cold out. Or cool, it's not cold. Take a Sharpie or something, mark it like that. That way you know we got it back in the same way it came out. At least on the yoke end of things. You may have to tap this lightly with a hammer. Usually I just take a pry bar and well, there was nothing to that. Took it out back in the summertime, so there we go. I'm gonna push in. That end's loose. Now the other end's got the same bolt. I know you can't really see nothing there, but that's about the best view I can get you. You can at least see the bolts fall out when they come out. But basically, I just pull one loose, rotate it up, go up from the top. We got two left. Get on there. No swivels involved. Last one loose. Maybe this was the end. I was thinking I had to pry it out so it would come up. There's two of the bolts. Rotate it again. 3. One more makes 4. Yep, this is the end. I had to do that. Let me grab this real quick. Hopefully it don't fall on my head. All right, just give her a light smack. There, she came right out. Go ahead and screw these back in for now. Remember, clean your threads off before you reinstall these on the bolts and on the inside of that if you can. Spritz some brake cleaner in there maybe. I got a metal tool for that, so no big issues there. Now we're going to spritz these down. Sorry for all the racket. Mr. Evil Knievel had to drive by. Spritz all these down. Oh, I need more torque. Oh, yeah. There she's moving. Once you break it free, you can throw an impact on there. Break it loose, break that one loose. Loose on that. I don't know if y'all can even see this or not. Kinda. Now we're over. Yeah, slide the tires on her, buddy. Somebody got their trailer brakes turned up too high. All right. Zip these out of here. Give me my tool back. Zip those out. And then go to the rear part of the drive shaft. Pull it loose, it'll be coming out. Ready? Then I can get the rest of this exhaust loose and pull it out, and then work on dropping the transmission. Let's see what I'm working with back here. Shaft loose. There we go, we're out. Very careful not to drop any of the bolts and caps for this. There we go. Got that one down. Go ahead and unplug this one. And hard to get to the wrench on this one. Oh, we're unplugged, folks. We're unplugged. And unhook his chain. Set it really